This is Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Thursday, 25th May 2023. As you can see here, the alarm clock is rather warm, like 90 some degrees, 98.6 degrees. About the same temperature as a human being, huh? If you get to the really white area, which I'm keeping the little circle right on that white area. If you move off of it, the circle's on purple now. It's gotten a little bit cooler, about 96.7. When I move to the blue, it's a little cooler there. All right. Let's look at the Onvoy by Ghost Stop. The Onvoy is not hot at all, and it is turned on. And the Ovilus 5B is turned on, and it's a little hot at the bottom. That's about it. But nothing compared to the heat in the alarm clock. This is 98.7. All right, I'm going to turn off the Onvoy. The FLIR C5. All right, let's go to the yes and no. I'm going to turn up the ghost user electromagnetic energy. See my hand there. How many would the ghost of spirits like to talk to me tonight? I'm going to turn it up. Yes. Are there no? All right, some are yes, some are no. Are there more than 5 ghosts or spirits available tonight? Yes or no? Are the ghosts of spirits aware of the other ghosts of spirits? Can you pick up on that? Yes or no? How many of the ghosts of spirit are there more than 5 ghosts of spirits living in the digital alarm clock? Yes or no? Are there any ghosts or spirits that are living within the Ovilus 5B? This piece of equipment I'm pointing to here? No? Or, well, now it's yes. When it makes the sound, you're getting the next. All right. Are there more than 5 ghosts or spirits living in the Ovilus 5B? Are there less than 5 ghosts or spirits living in the Ovilus 5B? I'm pointing to it right here. Are there any ghosts or spirits living in the Onvoy by Ghost Stop? I'm pointing to it right here. Are there more than 10 ghosts or spirits living in the digital alarm clock? I'm pointing to the digital alarm clock right here. I got the sensitivity just about turned up all the way, so I'm not getting much from the Envoy tonight. A couple intelligent responses. I had a question for the Ghost of Spirits using the Ovilus 5B, which I'm pointing to it right here. Before I turn on the ABC logo, which is the top left logo, I'm going to ask the Ghost of Spirits give me the name and the number of people that are dwelling within the digital alarm clock, which I'm pointing to right here. All right, that's my 2 questions. Bad section. Grave. Bad is BAD. Section is SECTION. Grave is GRAVE. Then I got notice, NOTCE. Whose, is that 1? And child. Whose is WHOSE 1 and child. So you're saying there's 1 child that's in my digital alarm clock right now? Okay, what is the name of this child? To me, it looks blurry. Still fuzzy. It's not coming in really clear. All right, what is the name of the child or person? I see Felt. FELT. Running, RUNNING. I got a yes and a no. And boots, BOOTS. You felt running boots? Carry. CARRY for carry. Spread as SPREAD. That's me coughing. It's not paranormal. It's hot in here. There's no air conditioning on. I don't believe I asked any yes or no questions, but I got a yes followed by a no.
Wife. Stood. Cloister. Cut. Tip. 60.
Okay. 60 ghosts or spirits. So you can see it there, 60. SIXTY. So 60 ghosts or spirits that are in the. And did I get a yes? I got a yes. So apparently when I said 60, it said yes. So 60 adults and one child that are inhabiting my digital alarm clock. That's probably why it's so warm. But they're not hurting its ability to function correctly. Paula. I got a name. Paula. Hi, Paula.
Jess. Again. Love.
Jess. JESS. Again, love. So, Paula and Jess, do you enjoy living in my alarm clock? That's the only two names I've gotten tonight, Paula and Jess. Jess is spelled JESS. Again, love, shove. If you shove me, I can't feel it. So,
Frigid.
we got frigid, FRIGID. Before that was shove, SHOVE. Before that was love.
Providence.
Pike, density. Providence was X. Square. Well, seems like I get a lot of X and square. A lot of was X square.
Shuttle. September. Murder.
Shuttle, September, murder. I don't know of any shuttle service around here, but are you predicting there'll be a September murder? Fall.
Adultery.
Adultery. All right, back to the Onvoy.
Acute. Afraid. Conditions.
Afraid.
Jewelry.
Conditions, jewelry.
Stream.
Stream. Jess, are you married to, was it Paula? Yes or no? I can't hear anything. Paula, are you friends with Jess? Jess, do you know Paula? I can't hear anything. Entered. Did you just enter the digital alarm clock? Yes or no? Did you just enter the digital alarm clock?
Money. Front. Haunting. Later. Bed. Team.
Looks like I got a yes for enter the alarm clock. Bed, team, whose? Well, certain. A lot of these words are not related to the questions that I'm asking. I guess you could say I'm sitting on a bed. So, team who's certain. I don't really watch any team sports, so. Hey Dan, I'm Keith Evans. So I've gotten Jess, Dan, and I'm trying to think of the female name. Dan, I'm Keith Evans. Are you also living in my digital alarm clock that I'm pointing to right here? You can use the Onvoy that I'm pointing to right here to say yes or no. Dan, are you living in my digital alarm clock? Yes or no? Well, not getting a response. Are you the leader, or are you asking me if I'm the leader? I'm by myself, so I guess I'm the leader. I'm by myself, so I guess I'm the whole team. It says rhythm, remote, channeling. I guess you got a rhythm to your remote channeling, huh?
Voice. View. Emmeline. R. Jog.
Voice view, Emmeline, R.
Show. Greek.
Hello, Emmeline. Show Greek knife. Emmeline was possibly the name of energy. The name of Hunt. The name of Jeff Buck's youngest child. His daughter, Emmeline, something like that. I got that from information from a gentleman who knew the Buck's family when they lived there in Apalachicola. Shot, intent, place. I don't think any of these words are answering any of my questions. Emmeline, do you live within my digital alarm clock?
Hunting.
Didn't I just get hunting not too long ago? Are you hunting for a place within my digital alarm clock? Intent, place, hunting. Well, that might be something that the ghost of spirit's trying to do. That was me coughing. I guess living in an alarm clock would be pretty cool.
Average.
It's average to live in an alarm clock. Eerie? Okay. Say 100. 100 file. Are you saying that sometimes there's 100 ghosts or spirits in my alarm clock? My digital alarm clock? A file pattern. Spirit sound on average. So I'm not sure if all ghosts of spirits recognize and understand that other ghosts of spirits are there. It may knee, Knee. I get knee a lot. All right. I'm silent and you're silent. Emmeline, do you miss the Hayes house? Yes or no, you can use the Onvoy. Emmeline, do you miss the Hayes house? No. Okay, use the Ovilus 5 to tell me why you don't miss the Hayes house.
Huge.
I got huge, Huge. So the Hayes house is too large for you. I would imagine as a little kid that might make you feel uncomfortable to live in a huge house. You know, your parents would be so far away.
Save.
Mike, Mike.
Nighttime.
Save one nighttime. Hi, Mike. My name is Keith Evans. Mike, are you living in my digital alarm clock?
Row. Skill.
Yes or no? Answer, Mike, with the Onvoy. Row, skill, strength. Mike, if you can answer me as far as do you live inside of my digital alarm clock by using the Onvoy that I'm pointing to you right now.
Sunset. Complete.
Man, the sunset is over.
Surface.
I guess it depends on where you're at on the surface of the earth. Doubt. Well,
Psychic. Fade.
psychic fade.
Design.
Not sure what a psychic fade design would be. Is there anyone else that's living in my alarm clock that would like to give me their name? All right, I'm going to end Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the digital alarm clock. I appreciate all the ghosts of spirits that answered my questions intelligently and all the ghosts of spirits that gave me their names. Follow. Okay. I'll follow you. Are you going to follow me on Instagram and Facebook? I hope you will. Baby. Baby. Some. Some. Heard it tap. I don't know if the volume on the camera could pick that up or not. All right. This is going to be ending Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the digital alarm clock. And today's date is Thursday, the 25th of May, 2023. Again, thank you, Ghost of Spirits, for your participation in tonight's paranormal communication. And I'd like to thank all the living people that watch my YouTube channel, Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans, and everyone who's purchased my book, The Hayes House Ghost or People 2, in one of its two formats, paperback, online where good books are sold, and also ebook on Kindle. Thank you very much for your support over the years. Vinegar Van 1. Again, thank everybody for their support, and I'll see you next time. Have a good night.